In your Fox 61 business report, American households are now carrying a record amount of debt. The New York Fed released its quarterly debt report this week, which found that Americans' collective household debt rose by nearly $200 billion to a record $18.59 trillion. As for how much of that debt is in delinquency, the Fed said right now it's 4.5%, which is a relatively elevated level. And while debt is at a record high, consumer sentiment is close to a record low. A survey by the University of Michigan puts its consumer sentiment index at 50.4, which is 6% lower than last month and 30% lower than last year. In fact, it's currently at a 3-year low. The stock market is still near record highs, but is on track for its first losing week in about a month. The Dow is down about 1.5% for the week. The S&P is down close to 2%, and the Nasdaq fell right around 4%. By a 3-to-1 margin, Tesla shareholders approved a new compensation package for Elon Musk that could be worth $1 trillion in Tesla stock. However, it is heavily incentive-laden, so Musk would need to meet some very ambitious goals to get that trillion, like bringing Tesla's market cap from $1.5 trillion up to $8.5 trillion in the next decade. However, the incentives are tiered, so if Musk only hits a handful of the more attainable goals, he would get only $50 billion.